This weekend is the Irish Youth Circus Gathering, and we're here in Cloughjordan, the home of Cloughjordan Circus Club. We host this event every year, and this year our youth members are being joined by In Your Space Circus from Derry, Cork Circus Factory, and from Circusful in Belfast.
You can compare your skills and find people who do the same skills as you, and you can discuss techniques on how to do them. It's a place where I can be myself without worrying. It's a judge-free zone.
It is about connecting young people who are all passionate about the same creative art form. What I see in our young people is the whole experience from, the anticipation, the travel down is always like amazing, like a really good positive journey that we're all going together as a circus travelling. And then when we arrive and then they meet the other young people from different circus schools.
I see the meaningful connections that it gives the young people who come, and for me circus is about those opportunities, opportunities to learn skills but to make new friendships and cement those friendships that they've had from previous gatherings, this being the eighth one we've had.
To come to events like the Irish Youth Circus Gathering, it just means so much. The bond we've created in these events like this, it's better than some friendships that you would meet people every single day. It gives you this perspective, you get to meet these people and you get to know them and just interact in just a safe and creative space.
With circus, there's a lot of resilience needed. You have to drop those juggling balls many, many times before you start to catch them. You have to make yourself vulnerable when you're allowing other people to lift you up in a human pyramid. You have to take responsibility for each other when you're spotting a trick or when you're the base in a pyramid. So I think all of those things they're great for exploring the circus, but they're all things that we carry with us into life and into how we maybe allow ourselves to open up to other people, to think about other people and to connect, yeah.